Hi everyone. So in this video I'm going to be showing you around our hotel in Singapore. So we're staying at the Park Regis. It's a fourth time staying here actually. You know, we really enjoy it as a hotel. The location's absolutely brilliant. You're about a 2-3 minute walk to Clarke Quay, 5-minute walk to Chinatown, and you've got the MRTs in between. Really good value for money. We're going to show you around, we'll show you the room, show you the pool. For Singapore, you know, hotels here are really pricey. I think it's good value for money, to be honest. We'll let you know at the end of the video what it costs. So you've got a restaurant and breakfast on the ground floor. Thank you. Thank you. This is where you have breakfast. So our rate didn't include breakfast. So to get up to the rooms and to reception, jump in the lift, head up to floor 3. This is the reception area. That's where you can check in. So you've got a number of amenities here. So you get a couple of drinks, you get a couple of snacks as well. So there's no minibar in the room, but really well priced as well. And then there's a Starbucks coffee machine as well. The pool's located on level 2. You need to use your key to get out. You can see it's absolutely stunning. A nice waterfall. And because you're on level 2, you're above road level, aren't you? So you know, slightly higher than the street. So when you're in the pool, you can overlook the road below, and it's really, really nice. Got these little day beds. And do you know what? I really like those. The only problem with them is if you've got like a bag or you've got anything with you, the floor around you is water, isn't it? So you're in the pool by, I don't know, maybe 6 inches. So if you drop anything in, it's going to get wet. So these rooms around the outside of the pool are lovely. They've got little balconies that, with, as you can see, little gates straight onto the pool area, which is a nice little touch actually. The first time I stayed here actually, I got upgraded to one of these. The rooms are exactly the same as what you'll see with ours, but it's just that balcony area and that access direct to the pool. The sound of the waterfall, it's so relaxing. Peaceful. It's really nice to get under that as well. So you've got a fully equipped gym. Some treadmills overlooking the pool. It's really nice and cool this here as well. And also you've got your pool towels as well. So the gym's open from 6 AM to 10 PM at night, 7 days a week. Here's your key to get into the corridors down to the rooms. Just really clean, nice smell. It's almost like an incense. And we're in room 311. So this is the room. Very nice. It's spacious. So this is the shower. You've got your shampoo and conditioner, body wash. And then next to that, you've got your toilet. Now it is a little bit strange that they are just glass walls in the main room. You've got everything you need. You've got dental kit, you've got shower cap, you've got soap, tissues, And then this is a drinking water tap, so that you don't get bottled water, but you do get filtered drinking water. And then you get a fridge there to put it in. But we've actually stayed here last night and we find the fridge isn't actually that cold. There is a little thermostat setting dial on the back, but it didn't seem to make a difference. Got a kettle. You've got your tea and coffee. Safe. Rose, which Lucy's already used one of them. And then you've got your ironing board, and you've got some slippers as well. Full length mirror. You've got a big television. Seating area. We have pencil and paper. And then the view. So we haven't got a city or pool view. We're overlooking the back of the hotel, but it's still quite nice. Nice big bed, very comfy. So that's it for the room tour, you know. This cost us £230 for 2 nights, £115 a night, which in Singapore isn't bad at all. So I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.